In the next video, we are going to see how to make our agent transfer the call to another department phone number that we choose, or what we deem appropriate. The first thing we need to do is go to Call Transfer and create the configuration of where we will transfer the call. We will write the name of the person who we are going to transfer the call to the department. Human Resources. In this case, for example, and we add the transfer data. In agent name, we put default. We put the phone number to which we will transfer the call with the international code of the and the message. Once this is done, we click on Save and Create. Confirms that we have already created the call transfer. And how do we activate it? We go to our agent. We enter Edit Agent. Let's go to the third part, where it says Prompt and Data. We scroll down, and here where it says Forward, we select it. Once this is done, we will see we block previously configured. We select it, and we are going to save them. When a user or a client tells the agent to transfer the call, the agent will automatically transfer the call to the number and person we have configured.